Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to JB Chem tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation. Sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation of benzene. So, in which benzene reacts with benzene with reacts with fuming sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid. The fuming sulfuric acid is a mixture of sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. So benzene reacts with fuming sulfuric acid, which gives what is that? Gives this benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid as product. Acid as product. It is reversible in nature. Reversible in nature. It is reversible in nature. Means benzene reacts with sulfur trioxide in the presence of sulfuric acid upon eating, and it is an irreversible in nature, and which will be converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid is known as a product. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the reaction involved in the benzene sulfonation of benzene. Benzene reacts with fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid gives benzene sulfonic acid as a product. It is reversible in nature, means the benzene sulfonic acid will be converting into benzene plus sulfur trioxide, and this benzene reacts with this sulfuric acid, which will be gives benzene sulfuric acid. Benzene sulfonic acid is a product. Then coming to mechanism. So what is the mechanism involved in it? What is the mechanism involved in it? First one is the generation of mechanism. So in the mechanism we have three steps. First one is a generation of sulfonium ion. Sulfonium ion. Generation of sulfonium ion. In this generation of sulfonium ion, this H2SO4 dissociate into H plus ion and sulfate HSO4 minus ion. H plus ion and HSO4 minus ion. Then this H plus ion which reacts with this sulfur trioxide, H plus ion. So which is having the lone pair of electrons, and these lone pair of electrons, and which will be capture this proton, and these electrons are shifted towards this oxygen atom, and it will be gets sulfonium ion. The sulfonium ion is having S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O, and O and H, and it will be the sulfur will be gets positive charge due to these electrons are shifting towards the oxygen atom, and it will be forms this sulfonium ion will be formed. Then this formed sulfonium ion will be attacked at pi electron system of benzene. That is the second step, is the attack of sulfonium ion, on pi electron system of benzene, so it means the benzene, so the benzene structure will be like this. Benzene structure will be like this. By the enzyme, by the cation sulfonium ion, these electrons are shifted towards itself, and it will be gets this one. Double bond. Then shifting of electrons over here, it will be gets negative charge, and it will be gets positive charge. So the sulfonium ion is the electrophile, and means positive in nature. So it will be sulfonium ion, double bond O, OH, and this positive charge. So this negative charge will be attack this positive charge and pi electron system of the benzene, and it will be converted into this compound, that is H plus ion will be formed, will be formed, and it will be forms this like structure. I am writing. So this H plus over H over here, and this sulfur is S double bond O, and OH over here, and same double bond system over here, positive charge over here. To neutralize this positive charge, these electrons are shifted towards this single bond, and it will be converted into this one. And H plus H over here, and this S double bond O, OH over here. HSO3 over here, and to neutral. So these pi bond electrons are shifted towards itself. So double bond system over here, and double bond system over here. So these electrons are shifted towards itself. Then this positive charge will becomes over here. Then this to neutralize this positive charge, these electrons are shifted towards this bond, and this it will be gets this structure. It will be gets this structure. So proton over here, and S double bond O and OH over here. OH over here. So this double bond system will be same, and these electrons are shifted towards itself. Then it will be gets this carbon gets a positive charge. Then this to get the aromaticity, the benzene will loses one proton, will ready to lose one proton, and that is the last step, and this benzene sulfonic acid will be formed. Third step is loss of proton. Third step is loss of proton. Loss of proton. So third step is loss of proton. Loss of proton or restoring of aromaticity. Restoring of aromaticity. So to restore the aromaticity, the benzene lost one electron. So lost one proton. So S double bond O and H. Then it will be gets here positive. Double bond system will become here, and it have the positive charge over this carbon atom. Then then two loses, it will be loses the one proton. So by shifting of electrons this side, and it will be loses one proton, and it will be converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. S double bond OH. So benzene sulfonic acid will be formed, and this loose proton, and which will be combines with H plus ion, which will be combines with HSO4 minus, and it will be converted into H2SO4 sulfuric acid, and which is a catalytic reagent. It is a catalyst of the benzene, sulfonation of the benzene. So this is the reaction and mechanism involved in the sulfonation of the benzene. If you like it, please like it. If you want explanation about any topic, please make a comment with topic name. If you like to subscribe my channel, please subscribe to get the notification about my videos. Thank you one and all.